What's up, everybody? Today we'll be looking at some container plants. Alright. This is some wildflowers. Along in here is one of my pepper hybrids. Now I'll be showing a few of those of my pepper hybrids that have it's of the same strain but several different phenotypes. Well, varying phenotypes. Here's another one. And this is a Mall's Red Hot. Mad Head. This one was actually labeled as a Serrano. And here's how they look. Sweet banana. This one's the beginning of the blush. Got Thai pepper. Here's another one of the hybrids I was telling you about, slightly different phenotype. Same here. And this is a separate strain of mine. I have done a video on it previously. Here we got what is labeled as the Tabasco, but it more resembles to be a super chili-like one. This is Thai Hut. Got Tangerine Dream right here. And Ultra Hot in here. Another Mad Header. Here's another one of my strains. Jigsaw. Thai Hut. Jalapeno. Another one of my strains. Scorpion. This one's Hot Portugal. And I have this one. This one's a cracky. It's still adjusting from inside to outside. That's a white Maruga. And super chili. Habanero back here. For some peppermint. Bell pepper. More wildflowers. This is a Brando right here. More peppermint. This is rather nice having around. This is very, very aromatic. Alright. Got my hybrids back there. Same there. And this is just a random mix of random seeds and a couple of these. So I'm just going to end up taking the majority of them out of these two pots and then put them in with the rest of the plants in the garden. I do that sometimes where I'll just take a gathering of seeds and just plant them and just let them do their thing. So there's some gardeners, a lot of other gardeners can relate. And here's the potato plant in a 7-gallon fabric pot. And then tomatoes. This in a rather larger container. Just letting this let it do its thing. It's a bunch of random ones that I've thrown out here in the pot. There were some old tomatoes that I just threw in there, and so I'm just going to have a mix. Alright guys, we'll wrap this up and get back to tending the garden a little bit, and check you all in the next video. Please stay tuned, and if you haven't already, I appreciate a like, subscribe, and or share. So please stay tuned for more videos to come, and see you in the next one. And remember, keep it spicy, y'all. Alright, peace out.